What's up, guys? Another video. I know it's been a while, but today's not gonna be one of your typical, cosplay Evo videos. It's actually me, Sat, Stockton Con, and getting an interview with Odin Makes. I recorded this 3 weeks ago, and just now getting to edit it. Sorry about that, but here we go. Enjoy the video.
That's dope. Alright.
You already know we got Odin's booth here. We're gonna see if we're probably gonna interview.
Bro, Odin himself? Oh!
You saw it.
Bro, you're looking at the camera, I didn't even have to tell you.
The camera's pointing at me. Alright, is it rolling?
Alright, so forgive me for this part. I didn't have anything planned for this interview. I should have my line came up with, but if you see me kind of stuttering or something, or just blanking out for some reason, that's the reason why I didn't have this planned. I'm sorry for this interview. Hello guys, we're here with Odin Makes doing a quick interview. He actually helped prepare my Cosplay and a lot of other cosplays. I was the majority of this time.
Oh, right on.
And you fixed my electrical problem?
Oh, yes, okay.
And we're just here for an interview with one of the higher ups. You got any tips and tricks for people who just started cosplay?
Yes. I like to work with EVA foam, so any tips and tricks I give are going to be about EVA foam. But a sharp knife and a straight edge are my two favorite tools for working with EVA foam. And sharp knife is important because you get a very clean cut. You can tell when it's not clean because it starts tearing on the underside. But really, there's a lot of the stuff in this booth that if that's all I had and glue, I can make stuff. So don't get caught up in having specialty tools. They're fun, they speed things up, but sharp knife and a straight edge.
They do. That's what I did first. I started with the knife, and I worked out my way with the polymer and the Dremel, and that's how I got started.
There you go, yeah.
It's all about working your way up. Starting again. And then, advice?
The only other advice I would give is, especially if you're starting out, you're going to be your own worst critic. You're going to see the flaws. I see Tokiyami. He might see flaws that bother him, but I don't notice it because I'm looking at the whole thing. And that happens a lot with cosplay. You've got this entire elaborate thing you put together, but this one little part you don't like, well, no one else is going to see it. They're going to see the elaborate thing. So don't be too hard on yourself.
Yeah, exactly. As you can see, all of them. He knows where all the flaws are at, where all the props are. We don't.
Right.
Thank you for being on here. And then,
So I know there's going to be lots of different ways to do an interview here on the con floor, but this
how Christian
is how Christian makes.
Thank you. Apologies to Odin Makes because I forgot to say this in the interview. Go follow him on Instagram, YouTube, and whatever social media. I'll link him down below. And hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.